And there you go, Tim Moore with TLC Pressure Washing. You just saw us be able to put some house wash mix on there. It needs to sit for about 7 to 8 minutes. I don't want it to work too quick. If it instantly turns brown, it's too strong. If it never turns brown, it's too weak. I'm looking for it to A, turn brown. That means I've killed the mold and mildew. And then B, slowly disappear. As long as all of it is turned brown, and when I rinse it off, it is all dead and gone and won't be coming back for a while. That's about 14 years worth of buildup on there, from according to the homeowner, but it's taken care of now. Tim Moore with TLC Pressure Washing.